Hello, Jim from Tech Buzz. I'm going to give you a quick unboxing and first look of the all-new Skullcandy Hesh ANC and Indy ANC, which has just landed. So I'm going to start with the headphones, and they do look similar to the Crusher Evo, which I still use today, which are absolutely amazing. So these offer you active noise cancelling, 22 hours of battery life, rapid charge, flat, folding and collapsible, and find your headphones with tile, which is excellent. We've also just a tile review gone up there if you just check back there on the site. So you've got 4 mic digital active noise cancelling, up to 22 hours of battery, 10 minutes will give you 3 hours, which is excellent. Noise isolating fit, and call, track and volume control. So let's take them out and have a look. We'll just remove the usual stickers. And we have it down. So let's check these out. So you get this card here which tells you how to use it, which is excellent. We'll be going through that in the review anyway. So you've got your skip tracks, your power on and all that, play and pause, and the system and backtracks and volume down. So you have everything there, and of course you have some more here. So that's pretty much it on the card. You will get your little extras in here. So we have got your user guide, your warranty stuff, and of course your cables. So they are USB-C, and your controls here have got some Skullcandy branding on them as well, which is nice. So that's pretty much it on that. We'll just pop all that away. And on to the headphones themselves. So you do get a case, which is nice, and you also get this little card in the bottom here, so for videos and product support and all that kind of stuff. So you get this nice travel bag here, which is a drawstring. It has the Skullcandy branding on the front, so you have something to protect them in not use. And that's them there in the flesh. So you have nice padding there, as you can see, padding up on top there. You have the Skullcandy logos each side, and you have a kind of ratchet system here, like so, and they do move in and out here, and they turn here like so. So they will go down flat like this. So pretty nice. So on the bottom we have got our USB-C port, headphone jack, and your controls here, which are slightly raised and are got a rubber covering there, so nice and clicky there, so you know you've done something. And that's pretty much it. So quick test on the head. They feel really nice and comfortable and isolate a lot of the noise more or less straight away when you put them on the head. And they've got this matte finish to them as well, which is really nice. So that's pretty much it for those for now. And you'll just pop all this away. And on to the earbuds. So, true freedom, no distractions, noise cancel through wireless. So you've got personal sound by Audio, up to 32 hours battery life, wireless charging case, and rapid charge, which is pretty nice. So that's pretty cool. So we've got 4 mic digital active noise cancelling, personal sound via the Skullcandy app, lag-free connection, 2 mic noise reduction for calls. So you get 10 minutes with 2 hours charge on these with the ANC off, and you can use either side on its own. Built-in tile again, call tracking volume and preset EQs in the Skullcandy app, and ambient listener mode as well. So the Skullcandy app is pretty cool if you've not tried it or tried any of Skullcandy's products. So we'll get these opened. And here we go. So you get the package like so. Trust, true freedom, no distractions. Little card to pull up here, and you're presented like so. So that's pretty much it here. And you've got a card here. Feel your audio tuned just for you. So again, that's through the app. You can go and test that out. So first up, we get the charging case. Then the earbuds, and out they come. And inside here you will get your usual bits and pieces. You get your tips and wings in there, and your USB-C cable, and the user guides and so on. So that's pretty much it in there. So if you just want to have a quick look, we'll pop all that out. So you have your pairing options first here. Just basic, nice, easy to use user guide, and again has all the features on it there, which we'll be going through anyway. So it's got everything there by the looks of it, and of course your app, which is important. The app is really good, so you can check that out. So onto the case, Skullcandy on the front, as you can see, and you have Indy ANC and the model number in there. You can just see inside. LEDs up on the front, which is really nice. Charging icon on the back, and of course you have got your USB-C port. So the charging icon there is for wireless charging, and here is the earbuds themselves. So you can see there's an LED light coming on there, which is on top. You've got these wings here, and they have a little small stem, and this will be our touch area up here. And that's pretty much it and what they look like in the flesh there. So quickly try one of these on. Again, a great fit, so really nice, and we'll test them out to see how they sound. So if you've got any questions, of course feel free to hit us up and let us know, and we'll gladly answer them for you. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned to the next one. There's your little connection points at the bottom, and quickly before we go, pop them into the case, and that's what they look like there in the case itself. And you just see they're up, and they don't want to fall out. So you got your LEDs there, which means they are charging up nicely, and you can see that we've got 3 bars there. So stay tuned for a review coming soon. Feel free to ask us any questions, and we'll speak to you then. And thanks to Skullcandy for sending these over to check them out. And stay tuned for a full review very soon on techbuzzisland.com.